It is school time once again for most students. However, the students of South Western University sure have a different way of starting their school year.
The event is the Acoustic Jam, led by SSG officer Sir Joseph, and together with event organizers from different departments, especially marketing department and student life department. And we're having this kind of event to welcome the new students, the freshman students, and not just them having fun, but also the old students.
It's a celebration of the new school year. That's the first thing, and the objective really is to allow our freshmen to be acquainted with the university. Given that since PHINMA took over in 2015, there have been numerous changes and adjustments, not only in the curriculum but also in the facilities. And since this is the first year under the K-12 system there's a new batch of freshmen. Those 2 previous years we didn't have any new freshmen in the technical sense, but this is the first year. So we only found it appropriate and helpful if we can provide the new freshmen a sense of belonging and a sense of welcome.
The event was filled with students from both college and senior high school who enjoyed the booths, food stalls, games, and performances.
As of now is we're having a tribal showdown. Then the next part is the singers of our very own singers here in South Western University, and then after is our guest, the Fick and Jacky Chang.
Other than the acoustic jam, the students also have to look forward to other events, such as the release of their school publication, The Quill.
The Quill is the official student publication of South Western University PHINMA. It is serving the studentry for 70 years now, since 1948. And it aims to change the nation one article at a time.
For this year, we have new members and we are still continuing to recruit members for the Quill. So expect that our numbers as our journalists will become more, and the quality of the news of the articles that we deliver will be much better than before. And due to our new members, we believe that our new members would help the Quill bring out more and develop quality news for the students of Southwestern University PHINMA.
There are also other events open to everyone, whether or not you're a student of Southwestern University.
The closest event that is now being planned and will take place in August is the Mundo Granate. This is an annual event of the university that sorts of celebrates, aside from this one, fully celebrates with all the students the beginning of the school year. So that will be in August 10.
With its new administration under PHINMA, Southwestern University sure has a lot to offer us this year. This has been Raya de Guzman for MyTV Cebu.